What's up, everybody? We're in Edmonton at the West Edmonton Mall, heading towards the World Waterpark. We're gonna have a fun day at the water park. Stay tuned for many adventures. After that, we'll go exploring the West Edmonton Mall, see what we can find as well. Stay tuned. Splashing adventures coming up. We've made it to the World Waterpark. Got changed into our swim trunks and now we're heading in. So glad we got a waterproof GoPro. This is so exciting. We only paid 35 bucks each because we came late. It's after 2 p.m. and they close at 5. Wherever you want to go. This place is huge. It's huge.
I don't know what
Okay. Well, we'll get back with you once we find how to get to the actual pool. Tons of slides, rapids, so you can try surfing. Look at all these tubes up here. They're all different slides.
Oh, that's cool.
It's crazy.
You're wearing water shoes?
Yeah, I got water shoes on for my safety. Oh, here's a big pool.
I want to go in the pool.
I'm very good at always slipping and falling, so I got shoes. This is the
going in?
Yep, we're going in. This is gonna be so much fun.
No alcohol beyond this point.
Oh.
Skyfly.
Oh, zip line. There you go, guys. Into the water. Look at it, they even got like so you could suntan. This is awesome. Oh, that's cold. That is some cold water.
This is cold.
Woo! It's nice. Ah, look at that. I hope it gets deeper.
Floaties.
I hope it gets deeper.
It does.
Oh, I'm having fun.
We just got here and he's already having fun.
It's nice. Oh, here comes the wave. Here comes the wave.
Are you guys ready?
Woo! Hold on. Whoa! Woo! That is fun. Screw it. Let's get wet. Wish me luck.
You want me to?
No, it's waterproof.
Oh.
Here we go. Ooh, that's shallow. That is shallow. I just scraped my knees. That's shallow. Woo! Here comes the wave. What? What's up? Okay, no other. Okay, just out here. All right, no problem. Sorry.
What?
Can't put the camera underwater. Not a problem. You can't put the camera underwater. I guess there's pervs sometimes. Woo! Holy look at us. Can we fit in them? Can we fit in them? Here comes another wave. Whoa! Here comes another one. Woo! Holy crap. Ah! Down. Oh! You need we need an open one. I don't think we can fit in closed ones.
Yeah, we could. The yellow one.
You want to try?
Sure.
You want to try?
You want to try?
Get wet first. What just did you dip in already?
No. You ready?
All right. We'll see what we do. We're heading upstairs. Gonna try our first water slide. It's a lot of stairs to get up to the top. Lots of water slides. Lots of fun. I'm so excited. We've been going up steps for a while. We need a break. So high up we are. And that slide's like way up to the top. Let's continue. We finally made it. This one's called Nessie's Revenge. It's gonna be fun.
12 seconds later.
crap. So that's the stupidest shit ever. They say you cannot have the camera in the pool if you're anywhere deeper than the water reaching your ankles. Does that make sense? And then when I was trying to get on the water slide, the guy came up and says, you can't use it on the water slide either. I don't get why he says it's an invasion of privacy, but I'm filming myself, nobody else. I still got it anyway. That's it for the water park. I'm going to put this away in the secure locker, and we're gonna have a little bit more fun, then we'll go exploring the mall. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hit that subscribe button and let West Edmonton Mall know that their water park rules suck. See ya.